Hello my dear friends, welcome back to another video. I hope you are fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Indian coin. What's the prices goes in an Indian coin? What's the high price? What's the prices occurs in the Indian coin? In this video I will show you friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets. As you can see now on the screen, first of all we look the price predictions of the Enjin coin after the last one day. After that we look the last 1 hour, and after that we decided it's time to buy seed or hold Enjin coin. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, the last one day price prediction is on the screen. If we look, the average change occur in the Enjin coin as a negative 0.78% change occur in the Enjin coin in the last one day. Absolutely a bit fast occur in the Enjin coin, but don't worry, as you can see here now the current situation of Enjin coin, they take a jump. So don't worry about the changes this soon. The changes are in positive. The high price of Indian coin is 3.02 USD dollar, is the high price of Indian coin in the previous last one day friends. Now if we look the currently price, so the currently price of the Indian coin is 2.95 USD dollar, is the current price of Indian coin, but they again start an explosion. As you can see here, if we zoom it so you can see it clearly, as you can see here, that is the last time change occur in the Indian coin. As you can see here, they now again start explosion, so soon the changes are in positive. Now let's see the last 1 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 1 hour in an Indian coin? Oh my god, unbelievable change occur in the Indian coin. As you can see, a straight line goes in an Indian coin. As you can see, the chart tells us that a continuously a high explosion starts now in Indian coin at this time friends. That is the live price prediction of the last 1 hour. The change occur in the Indian coin as negative 0.64% in the last 1 hour, and the high price is 2.97 USD dollar of the Indian coin in the last 1 hour friends. As you can see, that is the currently price predictions of the Indian coin. So what's your opinion about Indian coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets.